I thought I'd just take this video of this Pet Shop Boys album I picked up at some crappy local store. You can probably see all the fingerprints and stuff on it. I naively did not even check out this record before I opened it up because I assumed for the price they're asking it was, you know, actually in okay shape. Check this out. Got it home. Could be bothered to take it back, so I'm going to try to clean it off here. So this is a Nitty Gritty I'm using on this thing. I actually have my own mix of Tergitol and ammonia and deionized water that I put on this. Not too much, just like, 6 or 7 drops, and I spread it around. And then I'll just go through and do a bit of light scrubbing with the brush that came with it. So here's the same record after going through the Nitty Gritty. It's dramatically better in terms of its cleanliness. I'm now going to do a rinse off. I just put some water, put a little bit of water on each side. In fact, I'll just show you about how much you put on. I'm just trying to get the the detergent rinsed off of this. It's not strong detergent. The parts are very limited, but I usually just take out an old disc washer of mine, and I just usually disperse it around the whole disc and then vacuum it up afterwards. Okay, and here's the end result of this Pet Shop Boys record. I have no idea how well this is going to come up on the on this. I don't have actually a very good sound source, but you can probably see it's a whole lot cleaner than it was before. We'll see how much better place. There's still a couple little tiny fingerprint marks on it, but overall it's looking much better.